Hi, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and today I'll be helping you send email notifications using your company's domain. This is different from a similar feature we have wherein you can use your own email address to send email notifications by connecting your calendar with OnceHub. I would also like to clarify that the feature for using your company's domain applies to the entire account. This means that any other users you have would also be using that company domain email to send email notifications. It is advisable to set up a generic email such as support@yourcompaniesname.com or notifications@yourcompaniesname.com so that no particular name is shown when sending out the email. To set this up, you can log into OnceHub. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Integrations. We can then scroll down to Custom SMTP Server and then click on Connect. The details you enter here would differ based on the domain provider you're using. In this example, I will be using a demo Gmail account as the company's domain. As I had mentioned earlier, some details would differ depending on your domain provider. For example, Google would only allow me to use an app-specific password after enabling two-factor authentication. There may be similar restrictions by your domain provider, which is why it is best to check what information must be entered by them. For the sending email name label, I will enter my name. The SMTP server would also differ based on the domain provider you're using. For Gmail, it is a generic SMTP server. The port will always remain the same, which is 587. And since Google requires encryption, I have checked the box for it. It looks like my domain was successfully connected. Now, any outgoing email notifications would use my email address as the sender's email. I hope this video was helpful to you. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@onesub.com. I hope you have a good day ahead and take care.